Everyone, my name is Abhishek Gupta and I'm an application architect at Bank of America. I was on Wall Street when Sandy hit. I also experienced Hurricane Katrina while working for NASA down in Alabama. My experiences during those events are the inspirations for DeepSOS. Imagine a system where the government can trigger smart contracts for its residents who respond by taking pictures of their suppliers, which are ranked by Watson and upgraded on the smart contract. Now the government knows exactly how prepared its population is and can guide agencies to places in need most. When the disaster finally hits, the user can come to an application like this and place an SOS request. In this case, a tsunami has struck and the user would like a shelter, some medical supplies, and maybe a rescue and some food. Now this request is placed on the blockchain and our artificial intelligence system guides it to the best responder. He sends a notification and the responder can now start a response. This would trigger further smart contracts on blockchains that go out to the transport team, the food supply chain, the medevac, and any medical teams that are onboarded on the system. Here we can see smart contracts being triggered and new blocks being added to the blockchain and a response being guaranteed to somebody who put it in. The heart of the system is this recommendation engine, which basically matches any need to any responders. Here we can see one responder, 5 responders to one request. We can actually get more responders as and when needed through this graph database. We can keep on enhancing the logic of this graph database. The next few steps for this application are even more exciting. We will see a chatbot now that will guide a user through an SOS request. Here the user and its dog needs some medical evac. They also would need some shelter. The user would be guided through our AI system onto the blockchain where their location would be identified, an SOS request would be placed, and responder identified. The user would also ask for the nearest shelters. The user would then have the option to reserve a bed in one of those shelters and get a QR code sent to his phone, which will be used at the point of entry. The system can be extended to add on as many blockchains and systems and agencies can be onboarded to one single system that would act as a central hub in time of need. This system is smart enough to find the shortest route to any problem area. The fastest people would get there first.